Good evening, friends. This is time for the trade wrap of 25th of February 2021. Now, before I start, today I am going to present a thesis. The way I am looking at, uh, you know, intermarket analysis and what could be happening behind the scenes. So, before we start, let me request you to like, share, subscribe the channel, and your support means a lot, and we hope to exceed your expectations all the time. In terms of memberships, we have platinum, gold, diamond, silver, copper, etc., and various products, index, swing, day trade, uh, you know, portfolio. All kinds of time frames are available, and the idea is that based on the amount of on the number of products you subscribe and the level of access, different price points are there. So if you have questions, WhatsApp 9871066337. Also, you could email ashwani_gujral@yahoo.com, or you can straight away go to the channel, click on the join button, do the formalities, and you are ready to go. Now let's start with what I think is happening. First of all, we all know commodity prices are raging, and we could see that in the market also today. You had all kinds of commodity stocks racing up, and the underlying commodities are also doing extremely well. So now what that is leading to is, let's look at the US 10-year bond yield. Now this bond yield has been constantly rising. This means that the interest rates in the US are beginning to rise because they are beginning to price in inflationary pressures, and this bond yields for the last couple of weeks has been rising at an extraordinary rate. So it's hit fresh highs today, and that is the reason S&P 500, after a nice rally yesterday, has immediately started to give up a lot of that rally. S&P 500 is right now down about 32 points. We gained, I think, like 40. So almost the entire rally from yesterday is getting cleaned up. But this is really a problem for India. Why? Because as it is, we are prone to inflationary pressures. Now, if all kinds of metals, crude, everything starts to flare up, where does it hit the earliest? In my opinion, that should hit the bank nifty hardest. So let's look at the nifty first, and then we'll do the bank nifty. Now nifty had a very small indecisive kind of bar. Again, the nifty stopped before 15,200, which is a key resistance point. And my suspicion is that the rally may be terminated prematurely because of all these inflationary pressures. So if we start to trade below today's low, I think short positions on the Nifty could be justified. Now let's look at the Bank Nifty, which looks quite scary. Here you already have a bearish pattern, and if we start to break today's low, again you could have a fresh round of downside. Here we've carried puts of 36,500, so they are almost in the money, and we should hope that tomorrow itself, the bank nifty starts to get into trouble. Now let's look at the option chain for the new series which starts tomorrow, and see if we can get some data from there. Next series, what we are looking at is, I think there is still lots of call and put writing which is happening. So I don't think you could reach much of a conclusion. Possibly on Friday, you will get a better sense, maybe tomorrow. So today, I don't think the option chain is very relevant. On the Nifty, let's look at the pivots. The pivots show you that below 15,110, the Nifty is quite sideways and is likely to break down. So basically today's low is about 15,065. So 15,050, 15,065, that level starts to go, and I think the market is ready to fall. On the bank Nifty, situation is much more simpler because I think we have closed at the low point of the session, and my sense is that we should start to fall below the low of today, which is 36,494. If this starts to happen, the entire huge rally we had yesterday on banking stocks will start to give up ground. So, this is where you have to pay attention. That is it that the market is responding to what you think it is responding to, or the market is choosing to ignore these inflationary pressures right now. While you may be correct in your analysis, but it is not necessary that the market chooses to look at your concerns. For the moment, the way bond yields are reacting, the way US is reacting, US markets, it appears that the market is responding to the bond yield. But let's wait and see. I want to get one strong downside close before I conclude that this thesis is working. So let's see what happens tomorrow. New day of a fresh series. And today, the way commodity stocks were going up, that gave me the idea that, why is the bank Nifty underperforming? You lost 700 points from the high. And that does not happen in a consolidation. So my suspicion is that the banks have weakened today, and chances are you could have more downside on financials, because if there has been one problem in this country, this has been high inflation. And with this global inflation rising plus the dollar collapsing, that means that all of these commodities are getting fired up. So I would think that bank Nifty is beginning to take cognizance of this fact. That should be all. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor. On individual stocks, I would like you to wait for a bank Nifty breakdown and then take shorts on all of these financials, and chances are they will work out on the downside. Fresh series and early morning, watch out for what the Nifty futures premium is doing. If the premium starts to crash, then that means that people are looking on the downside. Take care and good night.